My name is Anne Pollock, and I'm a professor in global health and social medicine. My background is in science, technology, and society, an interdisciplinary field that wants to understand the social and cultural aspects of science, technology, and medicine, and how science, technology, and medicine shape our society and culture. One of my favorite classes to teach, which I've taught a lot of times, is a class called Drugs and Culture. This is a class in which we look both at pharmaceuticals and also illicit drugs. And we look at drugs that kind of go back and forth across the licit and illicit boundaries. Lately, my work on pharmaceuticals has been a project that I'm in the early stages of now, which I'm doing together with a colleague at the University of Cape Town. And we're talking to people who are involved with the Africa CDC. And one of the things that they're doing now is getting involved in trying to foster pharmaceutical manufacturing in Africa. And this is something that I've been interested in for a long time as well, because I think that questions about what knowledge is made and which science is made, whose medical questions are considered to be urgent, are deeply interconnected with who is making the knowledge. A lot of African government actors, policymakers, as well as entrepreneurs, NGO actors, and kind of diverse people are interested in making sure that Africans can produce the therapeutics that they need and the vaccines that they need themselves in order to not be so kind of reliant on the global supply chain in which Africa routinely comes last, and instead be able to set their own priorities. I've always been interested both in bodies and in the social world. And I think that the field of social science, studies of health and medicine, of global health, of science, technology, and society, of medicine, all of these fields help you to understand both bodies, so kind of our physiological bodies, and our societies, and then how those mutually shape each other. And pharmaceuticals are a very particularly clear case of that. So the kind of idea that our bodies are social products is a feminist idea. And then really thinking about how we might enact change to make that be something that is maybe more aligned with social justice is also a feminist question.